Bolpur Shantiniketan. In 1863, Devendranath Tagore took permanent lease of 20 acres of land at an annual payment of ₹5 from Bhuvan Mohan Sinha, the Jamindar of Raipur, Birbhum. He built a guest house there and named it Shantiniketan, and gradually the whole area came to be known as Shantiniketan. Rabindranath first visited Shantiniketan on 27 January 1878 when he was 17 years old. In 1888, Devendranath dedicated the entire property for the establishment of Brahmo Vidyalaya through a trust deed. Rabindranath started a Brahmacharya ashram and it came to be known as Path Bhavana from 1925. In 1913, Rabindranath Tagore won Nobel Prize in Literature. It was a new feather in the cap of Tagore family, contributing to the enrichment of life and society in Bengal in many fields of activity over a long period of time. Tagore founded Vishwabharati in 1921. Later of time, in 1951, Vishwabharati was declared to be a central university and an institute of national importance. Srijoni Shilpogram, the cultural village of Eastern Zonal Cultural Center, situated in Shantiniketan, Birbhum, West Bengal. There is also an art gallery of folk paintings. The complex is over 26 bighas of land, comprises of 9 museums in the shape of traditional hearts of the member state of EZCC. Namely Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, Manipur, Odisha, Sikkim, Tripura, West Bengal and Andaman Nicobar Islands. The natural environment of the Shilpogram attracts visitors and now an important cultural hub of the area. EGFCC also organizes weekend haat, mela and cultural programs to attract tourists. Sonajuri Haat is located on Amalkuchi Road, Sonajuri Forest, Goldfield, Shantiniketan. Where artisans from Shantiniketan and its surroundings sell their art and craft, sitting their own makeshift stall. The open-air market that comes alive amidst the shal, sonajuri and real trees, with the rhythmic beats of tribal dance and soulful melodies of baul songs.
বোলপুর শান্তিনিকেতনে টোটো চালক তন্ময় চৌধুরী বলছি। আমি এখানে টুরিস্ট ঘোরাই, আপনারা আসবেন, যোগাযোগ করবেন। আমার নাম্বার হচ্ছে 8860949981।